morning students. Today we are going to see unit 2 environmental pollution. Environmental pollution, the unfavorable alteration of our surrounding is known as environmental pollution. There are two types of pollutants. One is biodegradable pollutants and non-degradable pollutants. The biodegradable pollutants decompose rapidly by all natural process, and degradable pollutants do not decompose or slowly decompose in the environment. Classification of pollution. These are the major classification of pollutions: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, marine pollution, noise pollution, thermal pollution, and nuclear hazards. Air pollution. The contaminants like dust, smoke, mist, and odor in the atmosphere, which are injurious to human beings, plants, and animals, is known as air pollution. There are two sources of air pollution. One is natural sources, the second one is man-made activities. An example for natural sources are volcanic eruption, forest fires, biodegradable decay. Then example for man-made activities: thermal power plants, agricultural activities. Classification of pollution: primary pollutant, secondary pollutant. Primary pollutant, these are those emitted directly in the atmosphere in harmful form like carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide. Secondary pollutant, these may react with one another or with the basic components of air to form a new pollutants. Control measures: source control, use only unleaded petrol, use petroleum products and other fuels that have low sulfur and ash content. Plant trees along busy streets because they remove particulates and carbon monoxide and absorb noise. Industries and waste disposal sites should be situated outside the city center. Use catalytic converters to help control the emission of carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons. Control measures in industrial centers: emission rate should be restricted to permissible levels. Incorporation of air pollution control equipments in the design of the plant layout. The second one is the noise pollution. The unwanted, unpleasant, or disagreeable sound that causes discomfort for all living beings is known as a noise pollution. There are three types of noise: industrial noise, transport noise, neighborhood noise. Effects of noise pollution. This affects the human health, comfort, and efficiency. It causes muscles to contract. It affects health, efficiency, and behavior. In addition to serious loss of hearing due to excessive noise, impulsive noise also causes a psychological effects. Brain is also adversely affected by loud and sudden noise as that of jet and aeroplane noise. Control and preventive measures. There are three types of control: source control, transmission path intervention, oiling. Acoustic treatment to machine surface, design changes limiting the operational timings is a source control. The source inside a sound insulating enclosure, construction of a noise barrier, or provision of sound absorbing materials is a transmission path intervention. Proper oiling will reduce the noise from the machines. Thank you.